Hello, beautiful people. So come with me to Casa Grande. If you're coming to Accra and you need a very nice place to stay, relax, all you've got to do is to call the numbers on your screen and book Casa Grande. They've got 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom apartments for you and your family. Look at that. I just love the environment. I love how they welcomed me, their reception and everything. It was amazing. Don't forget to call the numbers on your screen. So I booked 2 bedroom apartment and look at that. Yes, I relaxed on my bed. I was just admiring the place. So in the evening, I went to the poolside with my champagne. It was fun. I had fun. You could see that. The next morning, I visited their gym to exercise and I loved it. Book Casa Grande now in Accra and thank me later. You would love